Clean and detail your car engine in 5 minutes. Cleaning and detailing a car engine properly typically requires more than just 5 minutes, as it involves several steps to ensure a thorough and safe cleaning process. However, if you're looking for a quick touch-up or maintenance cleaning, here are some steps you can follow to clean your car engine in a relatively short amount of time. Prepare the engine. Ensure that the engine is cool before starting the cleaning process. Open the hood and locate the battery. If there is any loose debris or leaves around the engine bay, remove them carefully. Protect sensitive components. Cover any sensitive components, such as the air intake or electrical connections, with plastic bags or aluminum foil. This will help prevent water or cleaning products from damaging these areas. Apply an engine cleaner or degreaser. Spray an engine cleaner or degreaser liberally over the engine bay, focusing on greasy or dirty areas. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Agitate and scrub. Use a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush to agitate the cleaner or degreaser on the engine surfaces. Scrub gently to remove dirt, grime, and grease. Pay attention to hard-to-reach areas and crevices. Rinse thoroughly. Use a garden hose with a low-pressure nozzle or a bucket of water to rinse off the engine cleaner or degreaser. Be cautious not to spray water directly into sensitive components or electrical connections. Aim for a gentle and indirect rinse. Remove plastic covers. Remove the plastic bags or aluminum foil that were used to protect sensitive components. Dispose of them properly. Dry the engine. Use a clean microfiber cloth or compressed air to dry the engine bay. Ensure that no excess water remains on the engine or electrical connections. Inspect and touch up. Take a moment to inspect the engine bay for any remaining dirt or areas that may need further attention. Use a clean cloth or brush to touch up any spots that need additional cleaning. Protect and shine. Optional, if desired, you can apply an engine protectant or dressing to give the engine bay a glossy finish. Follow the instructions provided by the product manufacturer. Remember, this quick cleaning method is not as thorough as a proper engine detailing, but it can help keep your engine bay looking tidy between more comprehensive cleanings. Always prioritize safety and consult your vehicle's manual for any specific instructions.